Hello, my name is Eric and my friend Juan. We are from Robotics Kids Lab Indonesia at Surabaya. Our level robotic is robotics 10. In this time, we make modern animal tractor. Inspiration for this project is from my country. My country is agrarian, so we have so many farmers. Usually out farmer plowing the field with cow or buffalo. For industry and develop with modern tractor use plowing, and we make combination with modern and traditional. My robot is used for plowing the field and can help farmer in my country. In this robot, use robotics 10. Brain for this robot use CM530 and use 2 motor with caterpillar wheel and 2 cow. For moving, we use remote RC100 for control robot. To turn on or play this robot, first we turn on this remote. Second, we press this on button. Third, we press the start button. Then we play it here.